Hello from the Waterworks Museum, and welcome to another Try It Tuesday. Today we're going to take a closer look at the surface tension of water. Surface tension refers to the ability of a liquid surface to resist an external force. If you remember back to when we made tie-dyed flowers using capillary action, we know that water molecules like to stick to one another in something called cohesion. It's this desire of the water molecules to stick together that allows some very light objects to sit on the water's surface without sinking through, like pepper flakes, for instance. It also helps when those objects are hydrophobic, that is, when the molecules of that object repel or push away water. For instance, a very light bug called the water strider has hydrophobic hairs on its legs, allowing it to walk across the surface of the water. Your challenge today is to try out different household substances to see which of them can break the surface tension of water. First, you'll need a shallow bowl filled with about 1 inch of water. In order to observe the break in the water surface tension, we'll need to add an object that can easily sit on the water's surface, like those pepper flakes we mentioned earlier. Sprinkle a few teaspoons of pepper flakes across the surface of the water. Next, you'll want to assemble the substances that you will be testing. I'm going to be testing maple syrup, dish soap, and toothpaste. I'll put just a dab of each on a plate for my use in the experiment. First, to get a baseline for our experiment, I'll stick my plain old finger in the center of the water to see what happens without any substance capable of breaking the water's surface tension. Nothing. Now, I'll dip my finger in the maple syrup, and again place it directly in the center of the water. Didn't see much happen like before, so it seems the maple syrup did not do a good job of breaking the surface tension. Next, I'll try dipping my finger in the dish soap. This time when I dip my finger in the center of the water, the pepper flakes quickly scatter to the edges of the bowl. It appears that the soap successfully broke the surface tension of the water. And since water molecules around the soap still wanted to stick together, they moved as far away as possible from the soap, taking the pepper flakes with them. Finally, I'll try dipping my finger in the toothpaste. Again, we see the pepper flakes quickly scatter. Both the dish soap and the toothpaste did a good job at breaking the surface tension of water. And you may have realized that they're both used to clean things, dishes and your teeth. In fact, it's the ability of these cleaners to break the surface tension of water that makes them so good at cleaning. If you do decide to try this experiment or test other household substances, please share your findings with us. We'd love to see what you did. And don't forget to tune in next week for another Try It Tuesday. See you next time!